Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Printing all attachments in Outlook at once saves you a lot of time and effort. Most people think they have to open every file individually, but there is a much faster way to handle this task. Start by opening the specific email that contains the documents you need to print. Click on the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select the Print option. Before you hit the Final button, look for the Print Options button and click it. A new window will pop up with several settings. You must find the checkbox labeled Print Attached Files and make sure it is checked. Once you do this, click Print at the bottom of the window. Outlook will now send every single attachment to your default printer automatically. There is another quick method you can use directly from the message preview. Simply click on one of the attachments to highlight it. This action opens the Attachment Tools tab at the top of your ribbon. Click the Select All button to highlight every file in that email. Now, right-click on any of the selected files and choose the Quick Print option. Your computer will briefly open the necessary programs like Word or Excel to process the files. Do not close these windows manually while the process is running. This method works best when you have a long list of documents and want to avoid repetitive clicking. It is a simple trick that improves your daily productivity significantly when managing a busy inbox. This works for PDFs, images, and text documents.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.